In this video, I'll show you how to get a deal using Zoho CRM in N8n, step by step. This is a simple workflow setup, and it's a great way to pull deal information into your automation so you can use it in later steps, trigger actions based on deal data, or connect it to other tools in your system. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation because the node you add will be connected to whatever workflow is currently open. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and search for Zoho CRM. You can either type it into the search bar or scroll until you find it in the app list. When you see Zoho CRM, select it to add the node to your workflow. After that, choose the Get a Deal operation. This tells N8n that you want to retrieve deal information from Zoho CRM instead of creating, updating, or deleting anything. Now it's time to configure what you want to get. Enter the required deal details based on your setup, so N8n knows exactly which deal record to pull from Zoho CRM. Double check the configuration to make sure the correct deal information will be retrieved. Once everything is set, save the node and continue building the rest of your workflow if needed, and that's it. You've now set up Zoho CRM in N8n to get a deal. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick workflow tutorials.